What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's 8th of July today, it's Friday, and that also means we're gonna have a look at Bitcoin and we will see what has happened since the last time we looked at it, which was just last Friday. By the way, if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm posting videos about euro dollar, about gold and Bitcoin every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so it's an information that you don't want to miss out, since I'm sharing my opinion, I'm showing potential trading opportunities and so on and so on. So this is the hourly time frame here on Bitcoin, and what we looked at last time was this upside impulse right here. Okay, so price went to the upside, but we did consider that just as a pullback, because then we saw that long wick to the upside, basically price showing rejection of any higher levels, and we expected to see a drop back to the downside and price eventually breaking below the lows right here. Well, that didn't happen, although we did have a little bit of a reversal right here around the 20,000 level. Price then went to the downside, but instead of breaking below and continuing even lower, it then started consolidating, or basically trading sideways, right? So what happened since then was we actually saw the market going back to the upside, creating higher highs and higher lows, and breaking above previous highs as well. So if you're looking at the hourly time frame only, that may look like a reversal, but looking at the 4-hour time frame, we've got this initial drop right here. And by the way, we have been in a downtrend for quite some time now. So the last drop, the last downside impulse right here gave us this sell zone. All right, so that's based on Fibonacci retracement and other levels as well. And we've got a sell zone which starts from pretty much around the levels of 22,700 up to around 25,300, but let's just say 26k. All right, so I'm expecting that we could see the market tapping into this area, and the deeper it goes, the better for us, because for those of you who are looking to trade this to the downside, you want to enter a short position from a higher level, right? So I'm expecting to see the price coming inside of this zone right here, and at some point I'm going to be looking for a reversal, all right, because I'm still expecting that we're actually going to see price below 20,000. all right, so I've shared my views in the previous videos as well. If you haven't watched them, make sure to do so, but right around the 26k level is where I'm expecting to see that happening. It could happen before that as well. Like I said, this zone starts from the level of 20,000, 22,000, or even just a little bit above that. Okay, so when it comes to targets, we're looking at lower levels, but the first one we look at is 20,000. so we want to see price breaking below that, but that level has already been tested, and the market has already reacted to that level, 20,000, right? There was another level below that which we looked at earlier, and that was 18,000, and we've already got a reaction of that level as well. So really, once we test this sell zone right here, and as long as we see a nice reversal here and we see that price action actually confirms our idea for a downside move here, and once we see that happening, then I'm actually expecting to see price below that as well. I can't give you the exact target take profit levels right now. It's just because I'm looking at the fib expansion level, right? So until now, the fib expansion was from up here down to the end of this first impulse, and the end of the pullback, which was the third point of the Fibonacci expansion, and that's how we got those levels, right? 18,000, maybe even 10,000, but I'm really not expecting for price to get down there. Anyways, as soon as we see that pullback happening and we see that price has reversed already, we can then adjust our third point to whatever that pullback ends, and then we're going to have the next target levels right here. Okay, so we'll see how that's gonna go. We're looking at 13,000 possibly, but like I said, we've got to update this fib expansion right here to give us a more correct, more precise levels, right? So don't worry about the pullback. Like I said, I'm still expecting lower levels, and a pullback like this in such a strong downtrend is also considered a healthy pullback. We want to see price creating a pullback in order to gain more liquidity, more orders to then go back to the downside. Now what's important though is we've got the first impulse right here, we've got the pullback, And we've got the second impulse, which could be a little bit bigger than the first one, but I'm not really expecting anything major. So I'm not really expecting to see price right around the 30,000 level, because if we do see that, then this impulse is going to be much bigger than the previous one right here, and that may suggest that we can actually see a full trend reversal. So that's why I'm saying I'm really not expecting anything like this, but rather just a pullback towards the level of 26k and not anything above that. So watch out for those levels in between 26,000, and watch out for that reversal. As soon as you see that, if you're looking to trade Bitcoin through leverage, then you can possibly take advantage of that. So when we're talking about short-term trading opportunities, we're talking about short trades, basically selling, and if you're looking for kind of a long-term investing into crypto, buying right now is also a good option. All right, but whenever we've got a sell zone like this and we're looking to trade Bitcoin on the hourly, the 4-hour time frame, basically looking for speculative trading, I would recommend not buying. Right, we've got a signal from price action, we've got a signal from the market, and we've got confluences that we may see price slightly higher, but then we're still expecting the next drop to happen. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of Bitcoin? Do you trade Bitcoin yourself, and what are the levels that you look at right now? Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button to support us, and also check out all the links in the description below this video. Follow us on social media, and get in touch with us if you've got any questions regarding trading. All right, that's all. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.